I've been over the moon since I got engaged. Over the moon means A. Scared of the cost of something. B. Forgetful. C. Extremely happy. The answer is C. If you are over the moon, it means you are extremely happy. You're in high spirits, very pleased, ecstatic, thrilled, overjoyed. In Filipino, napakasaya. My best friend always goes the extra mile to make my birthday special. Go the extra mile means A. To make a special effort or try harder to achieve something. B. To run 1 mile to show your strength. C. To spend a lot of money. The answer is A. To make a special effort or try harder to do or achieve something. We realized he was a wolf in sheep's clothing when A. We saw him feeding his sheep. B. We saw him physically abusing his wife. C. We saw him drunk with his friends. The answer is B. A wolf in sheep's clothing is a person who appears harmless but is actually dangerous or bad. Ito ay isang tao na mukhang mabait pero masama at mapanganib pala. She needs to choose her wedding dress but her heart isn't in it. She looks A. Very much excited. B. Really bored. C. Really exhausted. The right answer is letter B. Really bored. If your heart isn't in it, it means you do not feel interested or enthusiastic about something. My heart goes out to A. All my ex-boyfriends. B. All of those who ruined my life. C. All the families of the victims of the tragedy. The answer is C. All the families of the victims of the tragedy. If your heart goes out to someone who is in trouble or in pain, you feel sorry or you feel sympathy for them. Ginagamit ang idiom na ito kapag gusto mong iparamdam sa isang tao na sinusuportahan mo siya o nakikiramay ka sa kanya. If two people see eye to eye, it means A. They are in love with each other. B. They warn each other about a dangerous situation. C. They agree with each other. The answer is C. They agree with each other.